Hi, I'm Shannon Hensley, and I'm the media specialist here at Rentop Middle School in Bartow County. And we have had a huge transformation. We're so excited. Our space is very inviting, very warm, very bright, but it's really more than just the aesthetic. There's still much that went into the design of the space, and what we really kept in mind is collaboration and teamwork and sharing and presenting and really focusing on problem-solving skills and thinking outside the box. Still, we have been able to incorporate so much amazing technology to get these kids excited about learning, but also to make it real-world applicable. In fact, one of the programs that we have is the WASED drone program. And when these students finish all the levels of this program, they can literally take the FAA flight exam to be a drone pilot and graduate high school with a career making a substantial income. This is so very exciting. We have Marty robots that the students can learn programming. I mean, there's so many things that we can do, and we even have 3D printing. We have some teachers that are already excited about the drone program. They're going to be coming to the Media Center science classes in the new Learning Hub, not ELA classes. And we also have a math teacher that's very excited to bring her students in to make 3D models with the 3D printers of their food trucks that they designed in their math classes. So it's really a paradigm shift. It's very exciting. And I'm a student along with them learning all of this fantastic technology. And so we're just super excited to get started.